name is Corey Wright. I'm the administrator here at Vienna Nursing and Rehabilitation Center. The quality of care that we provide is something that we take a lot of pride in, and we want to ensure that people are happy.
We look at the wholeness of a person. It really makes a difference in getting the best outcome for our short-term rehab and long-term care residents.
It's such a blessing to be part of our music and memory program. There's no two people who have the exact same memories with music. We interview them for their preferences. We install it onto an iPod. It's hard to describe having somebody who's so isolated and giving them music and having them smile.
The CNAs, the nursing, the kind of skilled care that my mom really needed, all the things to keep her well, they really did a great job.
I'm Dr. Kenneth Mullen, the medical director here. What makes a facility excellent is the people who are working here.
You could always hear me on the floor, my mantra is, you're better off doing more than less. And Vienna is that.
What sets us apart is the time and the care that we take, educating families, educating patients, that you've chosen the right place and this is what we're going to do for you.
I've been practicing here in Lodi for 40 years, and our rehab center is one of the best facilities that you'll find anywhere in California.
There's a wow factor to that, and when you go home you can come back for outpatient therapy services.
The people here are wonderful. The nurses are great. Rehab is friendly and they work with you and you have fun while you're doing it.
The Bear Rehab table is one of the most used pieces of equipment. We can configure it into a sitting position. It's got built-in rails and then the block for the knees so that we can bring somebody up into a standing frame position. 9 times out of 10 they'll say, oh, I've heard of that, but I've never seen it.
I was pretty sedentary before I went to the hospital, and this got me moving. Being in a wheelchair all the time got a little boring, and I got to use the VR machine, and I realized that I could now use my legs.
The doctor said that you may not walk again, and I said, oh no, you watch me. I will prove them wrong. I thought, we're going to get this going, especially with everything they had to offer. I knew I was going to do it.
When you're a family member and you've got an elderly parent, you feel guilty that you're not able to take care of him. So when you bring him to a place that is where he has to be to provide the care, you're concerned. My dad came out so much better than when he was in just 2 weeks. Far above what the doctors ever said he would be able to do at his age.
I was so scared that I wasn't going to walk that when I did walk, it meant the world to me.
We have a long-term staff that is treated really well by our owner and administrator, and that results in great care for our patients.
Vienna is part of this community. We're family-owned, family-operated. It makes a difference. Our grounds are beautifully maintained. We want it to look like Disneyland.
You're not going to find this kind of space anywhere else.
Vienna is about giving more. Always go the extra mile.
Thank you for your expertise in dealing with my dad. Vienna understood us, and that really means a lot.
We trust Vienna. I really trust that they're doing a good job taking care of my mom.
I wouldn't be here if I didn't think it was a good place to be.
In a month, I'm supposed to go back to my doctor, and he's going to send me to outpatient therapist, and I told him he has to send me to Vienna because I won't go anyplace else.